Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we will discuss on LeetCode problem number 3541, which is find most frequent vowel and consonants. So let's go to the description. Here we have given a string S. It consists of lowercase English letters A to Z. Our task is to find a vowel with the maximum frequency and a consonant with the maximum frequency, right? So let's go through the example to understand it. So for example, we have the string as SXSS. So here if we see, we have two vowels U and E. U comes only single time, so U's frequency is 1. E comes two times here, so E frequency is 2. The maximum frequency here is 2. Now for the consonants, S has a frequency of 4, C has a frequency of 2. So the maximum frequency here is 4. So the sum of vowel and consonants maximum frequency is 2 plus 4, which equals to 6. Hence we return the 6 here. Here we don't have any consonant, so consonants maximum frequency will be 0. For vowels, A has a frequency of 3, E has a frequency of 2, and I also has a frequency of 2. So the maximum frequency of vowels here is 3. So our output will be 3 plus 0, which equals to 3. Okay, let's understand how we are going to solve this. So we will first go loop through this string as we will store the frequency of each character from A to Z, right? And then after when we have the frequency of the each character, we will again loop from A to Z characters and we will store the maximum frequency of vowels and consonants. So let's go through how we will code here. So I will first create a unordered map here. Just char comma int. It will store the frequency of the each characters. So now I will loop through the string s here. Okay. Now I will just store the maximum frequency of vowel and consonants. So I will just create a one variable which will store the count of vowel and another variable which is store the count of consonants, right? I will loop through the character again. I will check if the character is vowel, if character is equals to A, or if character is in between A, E, I, O, U, then I will calculate the vowel frequency here. So this maximum frequency of vowel will be comma f of ch. Else we will store the maximum frequency of consonants, and in the end we will just return the sum of these two. Okay, let's try to run the test case. Oops, I made a mistake. Okay, test cases are passed. Now let's submit this. Okay, our problem statement submitted successfully. Now let's try to understand what is the time complexity here. So first we iterate through the all the characters of S. So it takes O of n time complexity, and then we are just iterating from A to Z character, which is a constant time like O of 26. So our time complexity will be here O of n. And what about the space complexity? So here we have declared this unordered map frequency, which will have the 26 characters only. So it will be a constant frequency, a space complexity, right? It only takes O of 26, which we can say is constant. Okay, it's a easy level problem. I hope you get through this. You understand this, and please try to solve it by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.